Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we'll learn about Charakokta Ganas, that is Panchashata Mahakashaya. Myself, Dr. Satish S. Vasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Panchakarma, SDMT's AMC, Terdal. Charaka Samhita, which is considered one among the Brahatrai, where the Dravyas are grouped under 50 Vargas. Here, Varga means which is a group having limited number of Dravyas which are having similar pharmacological actions. In Charaka, each Varga consists of 10 Dravyas and the Varga are named according to their karma. Varga of Charaka have found very useful in Chikitsa that Vaidya can select the drugs and do his own formulations by combination of drugs. So it is a very necessary to have in-depth knowledge of these Vargas. So from today we will learn these Ganas one by one. Today we'll study about Jivaniya Mahakashaya. Introduction. Jivaniya Mahakashaya signified drugs beneficial for life. The major aspect that sustain life is a prana, the essence of oxygen that revitalize the body's energy and feed the mind. The common feature of the herbs listed in a Jivani Mahakashaya is their kapha promoting action, nutritive qualities and shukra increasing effect upon the body. Here all the Jivaniya Mahakashaya having the Madhura Rasa, so that it nourishes the body, right? And Jivaniya Gana is an important ingredient of various Ayurvedic formulations. In many of the Ayurvedic formulation you can find Jivaniya Gana as a main ingredients. Nirukti of Jivaniya Gana. Jivaniyam Ayuhu Tasme Hitam Jivaniyam Jivaniya Shabdeneha Ayutvam Abhipretyam. Chakrapani Tika on Charaka Sutrasthana, 4th chapter, 8th shloka. Here Acharya says Jivaniya Dravyas are very near to the Jivana or the Hita for Ayu. So Jivana itself indicates that they are good for Ayu. Jivaniyam Prananam Sandarakam. Indu commented on Ashtanga Sangraha Sutrasthana, 34th chapter. It means which preserve or sustain the life. So Jivaniya Ganadravya that helps for the sustaining the life. It helps for the nourishment of the life. The functions of Jivaniya Mahakashaya: an incredible body energizer that improves body's endurance and immunity. It helps in support and maintains the healthy systemic adequacy for physical performance and fight fatigue. Promotes healthy circulation and oxygen rich blood flow to all the system in the body and eliminates the toxins, which leads to a more balanced hormonal system. It promotes a routine cellular health and support defense against pathogens. It contains nature's richest sources of vitamins, irons, calcium, magnesium, folic acid, potassium and aluminium in a small traces along with antioxidants. So Jivaniya Dravyas are Jivaka, Rushabaka, Meda, Mahameda, Kakoli, Shirakakoli, Mudgaparni, Mashaparni, Jivanti, Muduka iti Dashemani Jivaniyani Bhavanti. Charaka Sutrasthana, 4th chapter. So you can see all the 10 drugs listed here with a Rasa Guna Virya Vipaka and Dosha Karma. So you can see here all the 10 drugs having the same rasa, that is madura, same guna, guru guna and snigdha guna, and virya, shita virya, vipaka, madhura vipaka, and dosha karma, almost all helps in vata pitta hara, and some of are tridoshagna. So you can see all the 10 drugs having the same rasaguna, viryopaka and dosha karma. And now we'll see one by one how these drugs looks. Jivaka, Latin name Microcystis wallichi, family Orchidaceae, part use its pseudobulb. Rashabaka, Latin name Microcystalis musifera, family Orchidaceae, part use its pseudobulb. Medha, Latin name Polygonatum verticillatum, family Eliaceae, the part used is rhizome. Medha, Latin name Polygonatum verticillatum, family Eliaceae, part used is rhizome. Mahamedha, Latin name is Polygonatum cerifolium, Eliaceae family, part used is rhizome and root. Kakoli, Rosia purpurea, Gingiberaceae family, and part used is tuberous root. Kshira kakoli, Lilium polyphylum, Eliaceae family, part used is rhizome. Mudgaparni, Phaseolus trilobus, Fabaceae family, part used is whole plant. Mashaparni, Pteramnus labialis, Fabaceae family, part used is seed. Jivanti, Leptadenia reticulata, Asclepidaceae family, part used is root. Maduka, Glacyrrhizia glabra, Fabaceae family, part used is root. One can easily remember this Jivaniya Mahakashaya by just recalling this following song.
जीव करुषभाग मेदा महमेद काकोली क्षीर काकोली मुद्गपर्णि माशपर्णि जीवन्ति माधुका इति दशमानि जीवनीयानि इति दशमानि जीवनीयानि तुम पास आए.
Conclusion. The Jivaniya Varga Dravyas are having Rasayana and Vajikarana rejuvenating effect, and these drugs are useful in promoting body fat, healing fractures, seminal weakness, and works as an antioxidant in the body. The drugs of Jivaniya Mahakashaya enhances ojas, thereby increasing vitality and strength. Because of this beneficial effect, those drugs can be used to promote health, that is Swasthasya Swastharakshanam, which is the foremost aim of Ayurveda. So, thank you.